Refiners today face many challenges that have an adverse impact on the conversion and profitability of the refinery. A few of them are BS6 quality of automotive fuels, IMO guidelines on bunker fuel sulfur limits, changes in mix and demand of petrol products, and heavy and dirty crude processing for better economics. Understanding refinery configuration and adopting innovative technologies and operational practices to maximize conversion play an important role in overcoming these challenges. To provide insights into various aspects of refinery configuration and operations, leading to improved conversion and profitability, we are pleased to launch a technical booster workshop on concept of refinery configuration, forging conversion and profitability. If you are a professional working in a refinery, or working in an engineering company, or are a consultant providing solutions to refineries, this workshop is for you. Our faculty on the workshop is an expert with 35+ years of experience in refining and who has conducted 100+ workshops and training programs for a number of refineries, engineering companies, and educational institutes. Key benefits of the workshop include better career growth prospects for budding executives and managers in refineries, petrochemicals, and other major chemical industries. Better insights leading to efficient design and wider consulting engagements for EPC professionals and consultants active in the hydrocarbon segment. Better understanding for practicing refiners to achieve higher conversion from low-value heavy ends to high-value distillates to boost margins. Enroll today to get benefited from the workshop. Please write to us or call us. To know more details of what is covered, please visit the link given. Looking forward to your participation. Follow us to know more about our programs, workshops, and more. Thank you.